Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to view someone's status without your name appearing. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily watch anyone's status without your name showing. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to look to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your app store, your Play Store, and then search for WhatsApp to update your WhatsApp. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, all you want to do is to just open your WhatsApp and then go to settings over here. Now once you click on settings, all you want to do is to click on account, and once you click on account you can see change number. Click on change number and you click on next over here. Now enter your old number that the person knows. So enter your old number. So now once you have entered your number, then you enter the new number over here. So just enter the new number. Now once you are done with this, then you click on next over here and you can see notify contact. Just turn off this option, else it will notify your contact users, your users that you have changed your number. So don't click on this toggle, don't turn on this toggle, else it will notify them that you have changed your contact, and then click on done. And by clicking on done, you can watch their status without them knowing whether it's you or not. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video